In today's video, one of us is gonna get a little bit closer to winning $10,000 to buy a car for the channel. I better pick this up.
Subscribers sent us 5 different car listings to try and stump us.
Good luck.
Whoever can guess the closest price without going over wins. This is a best of 3 series.
This is the Money Shift. 2JZ, rear wheel drive, optional LSD in a Lexus with a manual. It is the 4-door sports car that's the perfect balance of Japanese reliability and performance. It's got a cult following, and it's an ideal platform for both street and track modifications. Okay, baby, the first one of the year. What do we got here? It's a no reserve.
Love it.
And it's a manual.
Crazy rare.
Look at that, dude, 66,000 miles.
That's super low mileage.
Heck yeah, dude, it has the optional LSD diff.
Which is a huge plus for us enthusiasts.
Okay, clutch and flywheel was replaced in 2019.
Seems odd for a car with such low mileage.
Also, dude, the Carfax report shows minor damage to the front and rear of the car in 2017, and the seller states that the rear bumper cover was damaged in a parking garage in 2016.
It's not looking super minor to me. I mean, needed a taillight and a respray of basically half the car, but...
Well, hey man, I mean, pit cars go for way less. And let's see, is that molding on the left front door, is it totally missing?
Missing parts.
Check out these wheels. There's curb rash present on every single one of them.
Folks, we call that parking by feel.
And what's actually pretty cool about this listing is the window sticker shows an original price of $32,236, which in today's dollars would be like 200 grand.
Okay, not 200 grand, not that much.
All right, real quick, let's click on this video and show it running.
Yeah, engines love revving like that right from a cold start.
But you know what? IS300s, they're hot, man. Even if this one does need a little bit of love, I bet it's still a pretty good car. I mean, it's a Toyota.
I'm sure it runs fine, but I mean, it's a 20-year-old crashed Lexus, so...
All right, bro, you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, come on. Who's paying 18 grand for this?
Bro, don't sleep on the IS. It's a manual. It's worth a lot of money.
Fight.
A true icon in the sports car world. With a legendary lineage, the 370Z is a blend of power and grace. With a love it or hate it sounding 3.7-liter V6 engine with 332 horsepower and innovative synchro rev match if you get nervous shifting gears on your first date. It's a crowd favorite here at Ideal. It is, of course, the Nissan 370Z. Okay, there's only one way these things should have come, and that is with a 6-speed manual, which this one has. It's got quite a bit of mileage at 134 thou, and it's got some mods.
SR Performance exhaust system, high flow cats, K&N air filters, 19-inch Ford Star wheels, BC coilovers, adjustable rear control arms, Morimoto headlights, a front splitter, a rear spoiler, tinted windows, and a Z1 Motorsports shift knob.
Wow, doesn't sound very crazy, does it? Carfax report indicates that disabling damage occurred to the rear in October of 2015, but airbags did not deploy. The report also indicated that this car sustained minor damage to the front, left front, and right front in November of 2016. God, that was a pretty hard 12 months for this car.
Yeah, sounds like a really nice car. I want to hear this thing fire up.
Okay, is it just me, or does this thing kind of look like a Nismo?
Yeah, ran hard and put away wet Nismo. Let's lock him in.
All right, let's do it.
There it is. Let's go.
That is dumb luck, bro. Next.
Fight.
The BMW E36 M3, a classic in the sports car segment. Introduced in the mid-90s, this car is single-handedly responsible for saving BMW M. I mean, what is not to like? Good looks, just like your boy, great performance, thanks to an inline-6 pumping out a healthy 240 horses, and its real party trick was its handling. Sharp, responsive, and a benchmark automakers try to chase even today. It still looks good, and it's absolutely an ideal daily driver sports car. Oh baby, yes, another no reserve, meaning it's gonna sell and a lot of people are gonna bid on this thing. It's got a 5-speed, it's got the limited slip.
Hell yeah.
But, what? 306,000 miles?
That's impressive. I bet that entire cooling system's been replaced like 10 times.
With an M car with this much mileage, first thing I gotta check out are the seats. Ugh.
That that bolster, bro.
From the outside, it doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape, although black is definitely the hardest color, especially when it comes to wear and tear. This car actually looks pretty good. I mean, under the hood, it looks like it definitely had a spit and shine, huh?
Dude, that battery's about to fall the fuck out. I mean, you can see daylight.
Dude, that's what we call weight reduction.
It does have all its tools, which is actually super rare.
Okay, so what do you think this thing sold for? You ready?
Yeah, let's lock it in. E36s are hot right now. I mean, I think 11.5 is a bit much for this one, but...
Bro, what are you complaining about? Like, you won. Come on, does this car really need an introduction? I mean, it is the Mark IV Supra, star of the Fast and Furious, and with that legendary 2JZ capable of incredible numbers, it is an absolute icon. Plus, it's one of the best looking JDM cars of the 90s, or really ever. It's easy to see why enthusiast communities absolutely love them, and they bid them to the moon and beyond. Okay, now, Trav, on that point, Supra prices have gone crazy in the past couple of years. I mean, often they've been selling more than 6 figures, and dude, there's this one that went for almost $250,000. Guess what? It's black, just like this one. So it's gonna be tough to put a price on this car, and here's the deets. It's a modified 93 Toyota Supra Turbo, and it's got 101,000 miles on it. It's got a single turbo conversion kit, upgraded cams, upgraded intercooler, HKS exhaust, big injectors, and an AEM engine management. Additional equipment includes a 4-speed ATF Stage 3 A340E automatic transmission with a 3,500 RPM stall converter, staggered Forged Star wheels, a touchscreen stereo, and much, much more.
Can we just sit and admire this turbo for a sec?
And I mean, if you come to the outside, man, that stance... This thing looks like a fast AF drag car.
Being an auto doesn't actually hurt the car. If you want to go fast in a straight line and want to maintain boost during shifts, autos do that. Manuals don't. Unless it's sequential box or a... I'm getting off track. Like it or not, automatics are the king of the drag strip.
Yeah, and I mean, I know Supras, they're all about speed, but man, that tan interior has not aged very well at all. As you look at the interior, that auto, I mean, it doesn't matter, dude. It's gonna hurt the price of the car. So, you wanna lock them in?
Let's do it. Oh no! 37 grand? Come on, dude, that's a deal. Like, how is it $37,000?
Yeah, well, this was a tough one. I mean, at the end of the day, it's basically a race car, which doesn't exactly add to the value. So that's why you had to go low, baby. Stock cars bring the big bucks. This one wasn't stock at all. VTEC, yes. 4 little letters that mean big time performance in the auto industry. And the 8th gen Civic Si, with its high revving 2-liter 4-pot and buttery smooth 6-speed manual, it offers a driving experience that punches way above its weight. Of course, there are a few shortcomings, like minimal torque and a subtly dated design. The Civic Si still offers a great value for any enthusiast looking for a fun front-wheel drive apex killer. Okay, baby, deets coming in hot. No reserve, shifting yourself 6-speed, which, by the way, is one of the best in the biz. It's completely unmodified and has just shy of 130,000 miles. And it's finished in Rally Red.
My personal favorite color on this generation Civic. It might just be me, but I've always loved how big the bolsters are on these stock seats.
I definitely like the seats as well. If you cruise through the outside photos, doesn't it look super clean? I mean, it looks more like it has 13,000 miles, not 130K.
Yeah, I mean, the interior looks like it's in pretty good shape.
Plus, swing out back and there is no far can exhaust. You have to think this thing was actually owned by an adult, right? You know, it was taken care of? Trav, I'm kind of in love, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, then put your money where your heart is, dude. Let's do this.
out the win. Can you smell that?
Smell what? I showered today.
Smell that 10K, baby.
Dude, shut up. It's beginner's luck, man.
Congrats to me to winning the first money shift and getting that much closer to 10,000 bucks. Now it's a best of 3 series, so Trav still has a fighting chance to come back, but I don't know if he's gonna be able to. Now, the whole idea is for you guys to stump us by submitting cars that have been auctioned off in the last 12 months, and so we've linked to it in the first pinned comment, and you can submit a car to see if maybe we won't be able to guess what it sold for. Also, in the comments below, whoever wins the 10 grand is going to pick a new ideal car for the channel. So, what's your favorite ideal car for under 10K? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the vid, please like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and tell your friends about Ideal. Also, check out this Ideal vid up here, or whatever YouTube recommends you watch next down here. I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.